Dude, you just like tried to finger me totally. What are you doing?
I know. Babe, I need you over here. I need you over here.
Why?
Because I need your boob. Ow. Ow.
That would be good.
Ew, why is there a picture of JP on your wall?
I don't know.
There's like a picture of JP and then me dancing with him.
I had the one of you two making out up there, but then I took it down.
Ew. That's disgusting. That guy making out with him is like your face is getting put into a vacuum cleaner. A wet vacuum cleaner.
I hope he doesn't see this.
Just like...
Please do that again, what? Hey, Teresa, who must have given Brad that hickey? Really? Is she okay?
I gotta take a crap.
Well, you know where the bathroom is.
I don't want to get off.
Please don't do it on my floor.